what are display types? Well, all HTML elements, by the way how they are displayed in our web page, can be categorized in two categories. First one are block elements, and second are inline elements. So what are block elements? Block elements are elements that will always, without any additional settings, start in a new line, and everything that goes after it will also be displayed in a new line. Well, for example, if we have three h1 HTML elements, and if we place it inside of one line of code, our web browser will display every single in a new line. Well, the reason for this is because h1 HTML elements are block elements. Beside of h1 HTML elements, there is a whole list of available block elements in our description. What are inline elements? Well, inline elements are elements that can be grouped inside of one line or inline. For example, if we have italic or I HTML element, then bold or B HTML element in same line, and then U or underlined HTML element also in same line, our web browser will display all text in one line or inline. Reason for this is because I, B, and U are inline HTML elements. Beside of I, B, and U, we have all list of HTML inline elements available in our description. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.